I live in North Carolina on the South Carolina border, and I have 2 fruit trees that were planted 2 years ago. They are not in great shape. They are failing. When should I move my fruit trees? In the fall? Thank you. And this is Ron from North Carolina. So,
Wow.
okay, yeah, so he wants to know, when should I move my fruit trees? Right.
Well, I have a question.
Okay.
Why does he want to move them?
Okay.
I mean, why does he think he needs to move them?
Yeah, because he just tells us they are
I know
failing.
they're failing,
Right.
but how are they failing? Is
Right.
it did he plant them in? It's gotten shady in that area, and there's not enough light for them. Is it in a low area that's staying too wet? But either way,
Either way. Yeah, picture would
whatever
help,
is
but
wrong.
either way, right.
But I think he is correct. Fall
Okay.
would be the best time
Okay.
to move them while they're young.
Have a location,
Yeah.
in sight, of course.
Sunny,
Yeah.
well drained
Right.
would be good.
It'll be good for that. But you can get away with it in the fall.
Sure.
I can hear Mr. D in my head now.
Uh-huh.
He would say winter.
Oh,
He would say
and
winter,
Yeah.
early spring would be a good time to do that.
True.
As well.
I would wait till the leaves fall off of it
Right.
before I would move it.
Right. Which is why Mr. D said winter,
Mm-hmm.
because the tree should be at dormancy, at that
True.
point in time.
Yeah.
Right. Or semi-dormant.
Right.
So, yeah, I think you'll be fine, Mr. Ron. But yeah, we need to find out why the
Yeah.
tree is failing in the first place.
And he could call his local extension
Sure.
agent and have him come out and help him assess maybe a better location for it.
Maybe so. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.